Welcome to your new Luna G3 device from React Health. This short video will help you to get all the parts from the box set up and ready to use. You may have a black Luna G3 device or an ivory Luna G3 device. These instructions are applicable for all four models shown on the right. First, you will want to place your Luna G3 on a solid flat surface free of debris like a table or a nightstand. Next, we will connect your power cord to your Luna G3 device. You will take the plug of the power adapter and insert it into the DC inlet on the back of the device as marked in the diagram on the right. You will then connect the power cord to the power adapter. Finally, you will connect the other end of the power cord directly into your power outlet. Next, you will connect your tubing. Your supplier may have provided you with heated or non-heated tubing. In this image, we see non-heated tubing. With the device still in the off mode, simply connect your non-heated tubing to the air outlet on the back of your Luna G3 device. The other end of the tubing will connect to the mask you were provided by your supplier. You should follow the instructions in your mask manual to connect your mask to the other end of the tubing. Your device should be in the off position. If you have heated tubing, there will be a wire with a plug on one end of the tubing as shown in the photo. You will connect the tubing end into the air outlet on the back of your Luna G3 device, and you will attach the heated tube power plug to the heated tubing port on the back of the device as shown in the image. You will connect the other end of the tubing to your mask provided by your supplier according to the directions in your mask manual. The Luna G3 devices are equipped with an easy-to-use push humidifier. Simply push down on the humidifier chamber and it will be released. After filling your water chamber with water, you will reattach the water chamber by simply pushing down on the device. It will reattach to the PAP device. To fill your water chamber, open the lid of the chamber and carefully pour up to 350 milliliters of water into the chamber. We recommend distilled water. Do not exceed the max fill line. You will now place your mask on your face as directed by your physician or care team. Please note that you may want to consult your user manual or mask fitting guide to assist you with placing your mask on. Turn on your PAP device and enjoy a restful night's sleep. Thank you for choosing React Health.
Interested in this product? You can purchase or rent this item and many others from Alpine Home Medical. Visit any of our 11 locations to get yours today. Financing is available, and we accept insurance on many of our products. We're here when you need us.